Hello investors! In this video, we'll go over the dividend stocks Bill Gates is holding to help hedge against inflation. First on the list is Waste Management. Waste Management is a business that deals with various types of waste and provides its clients with environmental services. Waste management may not be the most luxurious of professions, but it is still vital. Municipalities have no choice but to pay businesses to dispose of our mountains of trash, regardless of what the economy does, even as those costs go up. Over the previous 5 years, the shares have almost doubled. Operating revenue increased 11% over the previous year in the first 10 months of 2022. Waste Management's dividend has increased for 19 years in a row and now offers a yield of 1.6%. If you invested $10,000 10 years ago and reinvested the dividends, your investment would have grown to over $63,000 with an annual return of 20%. Next on the list is Caterpillar. Caterpillar Inc. is a manufacturer of construction machinery and tools with a focus on diesel and natural gas engines. A crippled global supply chain is having an impact on the company's revenues, but the government's $1.2 trillion infrastructure plan suggests that there may be a lot of construction in the United States in the near future. Over the last 5 years, the company's stocks has increased by over 60% as a result of higher prices for raw materials and petroleum. Caterpillar's quarterly dividend is valued at $1.20 per share and has a yield of 2% after declaring an 8% increase in June 2022. For 28 years in a row, Caterpillar has increased its yearly dividend. If you invested $10,000 10 years ago and reinvested the dividends, your investment would be around $35,000 with an annual return of around 13%. Next is Walmart. Walmart was able to operate its more than 4,700 U.S. stores throughout the pandemic because grocery stores were recognized as essential businesses. Since COVID spread throughout the world, the company has increased profits and market share. Many customers turn to Walmart when prices are rising because of its notoriety as a low-cost haven. Over the past 50 years, Walmart has continued to increase its dividends. With a $2.24 annual payout per share, it currently has a 1.5% dividend yield. A $10,000 investment 10 years ago would have grown to around $26,000, an annual return of 10%, if you reinvested the dividends. A manufacturer of agricultural equipment and other related products is Deere & Company. The business has a very long history of paying dividends, starting in 1990 with consistent dividend payments to shareholders. Additionally, over the last 5 years, it has increased dividends at an average growth rate of 11%. As of November 2022, the company paid a quarterly dividend per share of $1.13, representing a yield of 1.11%. Investing $10,000 10 years ago would have grown to over $62,000. These are some stocks you can count on for passive income during rough economic conditions. For more information on investing, please like and subscribe to the channel.